ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। I would request you not to interact with others while the mic is on. Mic is an unmute condition. What you talk to the people around you, it's all audible. It's all get recorded and disturbs the class also. That's why I ask you to keep the mic in mute. If you can keep the mic in unmute, provided there is no noise around you and you also don't interact with others, be in the class, please. So we can chant now this Alpaksharam asandigdham
Alpaksharam asandigdham
Saravat Vishvato Mukam
Saravat
Vishvato Mukam
Stobham Anavadyam Cha
Astobham Anavadyam Cha
Sutram Sutravido Viduhu. I think I have given you the simple meaning of this shloka.
Yes.
We will see the meaning in detail later. Now you can repeat after me. Ayun Relug Eong I out Hayavarat Lan Nyamangandanam Jabhai Gadadash Jabagadadash Kapachatata Chatatau Kapai Shashasar These 14 sutras are called Nageshwara Sutrani, about which we will discuss. Till time has not come to discuss on this, we will discuss it later. Now you need to memorize these sutras in this order, same order. So please practice that. Then Shiksha Sutrani, you can repeat. Akuga Visarjaniyanam Kantaha
Akuha Visarjaniyanam Kantaha
Yashanam Talu
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां
दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपमानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ज्ञामाङ्गानां नासिका च
नासिका च
एदैतो गोकण्ठतालु
एदैस्तोः
गोदौतो गोकण्ठ ओष्ठम्
कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
कारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
मकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
अनुस्वारस्य
This Shiksha Sutrani also I explained before. Shiksha Sutrani gives you the knowledge of the place of pronunciation of the varnas, the letters of the language. Do you remember the Uchcharana Sthanam of the varnas?
Yes, Guruji.
We learned in the very beginning, when we learned the varnas,
Yes.
that time itself we learned.
Yes.
Now the same thing is presented in the form of a sutra. Easy to remember. Akuha Visarjaniyana. It is not just for memorizing. You know the meaning also now. Kantaha meaning throat, Talu meaning palate, Murda is cerebral. That is the upper part. That is the roof of the mouth. Danta is teeth. So Kanta, the throat. That is Akuha Visarjaniya. The letter, the varna, the swara, the vowel, akara, and Ku stands for the kavarga, the class consonant, the 5 letters. Ha, the sibilant, Ushma varna. Visarjaniya is another name for Visarga. These four are called guttural. They are pronounced from the throat. Therefore, Kantaha. Kantaha is Uchcharana Sthanam, the place of pronunciation. Similarly, for all the other sutras. We have seen, I'm not going to explain this again, but just to recall. So, when you memorize, understand and memorize. It is a sutra, therefore, it will be very useful if you memorize it. Then continuing. Ramo Rajamane Sada Vijayate.
Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate.
Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Ramesham Bhaje.
Ramena Bihata Nishachara Chamuh.
Ramena Bihata Nishachara Chamuh.
Ramaya Tasmai Namaha. Ramanasti Parayanam Parataram.
Parayanam Parataram
Ramasya Dasosmyaham. Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me.
Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me
Mamuddhara.
Rama Mamuddhara.
We can chant Rama Shabda. For the first 10-15 minutes, we will chant all the Shabdas. Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda, and all the Sarvanama, Pullinga Sarvanama Shabda, which we learned. So now let us chant this. Akarantaha Pullingaha Rama Shabdaha.
Akarantaha Pullingaha Rama Shabdaha.
Ramah Ramau Ramaah.
रामः रामौ रामाः
Ramam Ramau Raman.
रामं रामौ रामान्
Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi.
रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः
Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah.
रामाय
रामाभ्यां
रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyah.
रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
Ramasya Ramayogo Ramanam.
रामस्य
रामस्य
रामयोगो
रामाणां
Rame Ramayogo Rameshu.
रामे रामयोगो रामेषु
He Rama He Rama.
हे
राम
राम
हे
हे
रामौ
राम
हे रामाः
Is my voice clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Ikarantaha Pullingaha Hari Shabdaha.
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः हरिशब्दः
Harihi Hari Harayaha.
हरिः
हरिः हरयः
Harim Hari Harin.
हरिं
हरीन्
Harina Haribhyam Haribihi.
हरीणां
हरिभ्यां हरिभिः
Hare Haribhyam Haribhyaha.
हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः
Hare Haribhyam Haribhyaha.
हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः
हरिभ्यः
Hare Haryoho Harinam.
हरीणां
ीनां
Haro Haryoho Harishu.
हरियोः हरिषु
हरिषु
He Hari He Harayaha.
हरि हे हरयः
हरि हरि
Karantaha Pullingaha Guru Shabdaha.
उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गुरुशब्दः
शब्दः
Guruhu Guru Guravaha.
गुरवः
Gurum Guru Gurun.
गुरून्
Guruna Gurubhyam Gurubihi.
गुरुभ्यां गुरुभिः
Gurave Gurubhyam Gurubhyaha.
गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः
Guroho Gurubhyam Gurubhyaha.
गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः
Guroho Guruvoho Gurunam.
गुरोः गुरूणां
Gurau Guruvoho Gurushu.
गुरोः गुरुषु
He Guru He Guravaha.
हे गुरु हे गुरवः
I hope all of you know Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, and Guru Shabda.
Guru.
If I give you any padam, any vibhakti, any vachana, so you should be able to tell. Suppose if I say Rama Yoho, what vibhakti, what vachanam?
षष्ठी विभक्ति द्विवचन
Saptami also.
सप्तमी
Saptami also possible. Kavishu.
सप्तमी विभक्ति बहुवचनम.
Shabda is Ikaranta Shabda. Ikaranta Shabda.
गणपति
गणपति
द्वितीया विभक्ति
बहुवचन
बहुवचनं
Dya Bhakti Bhagavachana. So
गणपति
Rama, Hari and Guru. These are important Shabda to start with. So please, if you are not memorized, it is better to memorize the Shabda. Be useful. Just keep chanting every day, or you will find it getting to your head after some time. So Rama, Hari, and Guru. And next one is Pala Shabda. Rama, Hari, Guru, Pullinga. Now Napumsakalinga. And you will see we will be adding more and more Shabdas. So you have to be ready for it. So in fact, I am slowing down. I'm not introducing many Shabdas because it will be, unless you know the basic Shabda, you cannot go to the other Shabda. That is why I've reduced. In one shot, I taught you all the Sarvanama Shabda. But Sarvanama Shabda is simpler, like Rama Shabda. So if you are familiar with these Shabdas, then I can teach you the Sarvanama Strilinga Shabda. So you have to be ready for it. Maybe this class I will not do it, but next class I'll teach you Strilinga Sarvanama Shabda and the Napumsakalinga Sarvanama Shabda. So by that, within a week, just be familiar with these Shabdas. Okay. Now, Napumsakalinga Shabda, Pala Shabda. It's a very simple Shabda. Only 3 words you need to know. Palam, Pale, Palani. From Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, it is same as Rama Shabda.
Rama Shabda.
Simplest Shabda. This Pala Shabda and Sarvanama Shabda, they are very simple Shabda. Only few words you need to know the whole Shabda. So let us chant this also. Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Pala Shabdaha.
Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Pala Shabdaha.
Palam Pale Palani.
Palam Pale Palani.
Palam Pale Palani. Here, what you need to know is the Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti, the forms are same. The forms are same. And we have seen Prathama Vibhakti stands for the Karta, the subject in the sentence. And Dvitiya Vibhakti stands for Karma, object. So here, in this Shabda, the forms are same. Therefore,
whether it will be right for me to buy.
Please mute your mic. Somebody is talking. Here, the forms are same. Therefore, depending on the context, the sentence, you have to identify whether it is Karta or Karma. That is, whether it is Prathama or Dvitiya Vibhakti. It depends on the context. The forms are same. This confusion can come only for Napumsakalinga Shabda, because in the last class someone asked the same question, I think. How do we know whether it is Prathama or Dvitiya, whether it is Karta or Karma? Depends on the sentence. Even though the forms are same, depends on the sentence, we can identify it as Karta or Karma. Okay. Now from Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, we can chant Palena Palabhyam Palaihi.
Palena
Palaihi.
Palena Ramena Palena, same. Ramabhyam Palabhyam Ramehi Palaihi. Palaya Palabhyam Palebhyaha.
Palaya Palebhyaha.
Not Palebhyam. Somebody is chanting Palebhyam. That is not Palebhyam. It is Palabhyam. Ramabhyam Palabhyam. Palebhyaha. That is Ebhyaha. Okay. Again. Palaya Palabhyam Palebhyaha. Palat Palabhyam Palebhyaha. Palasya Palayogo Palanam. Pale Palayogo Paleshu. He Pala He Pale He Palani. Sarvanama Shabda, we will do only Prathama and Dvitiya because we don't have time. Prathama, Dvitiya only we will do. From Tritiya onwards, same as Rama Shabda. Okay. So, Dakarantaha Pullingaha Tad Shabdaha. Tad meaning?
That.
that,
Saha taute.
सः
Tam tautan. Saha is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Ramaha is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Therefore, Saha Ramaha, Saha Arihi, Saha Guruhu. We can form sentences, simple sentences. Right? So, both are Pratama Vibhakti, both are Ekavachanam. Saha Ramo, can we say?
no,
There's a mismatch of Vachanam, gender, Vachana mismatch. Vachana mismatch, therefore it's not grammatically correct. If you want to say Ramo, what will you use?
Ramo.
Ramo. If it is Harayaha, Harayaha. Another thing is Harayaha, when you say Harayaha, you may think Pratipadika is Haraya. Harayaha, Harayo, Harayaha. It's not like that. Harayaha is Hari Shabda, Pratama Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam.
बहुवचनं
So this confusion also possible. Harayaha, if you don't know the Shabda, then you can make the mistake. But Hari Shabda you know. And Harayaha form also you know. So when the word Harayaha comes, you cannot say it is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. You have to spot it as Hari Shabda, Ikaranta Shabda, not Akaranta Shabda. Okay. So it is Ikaranta Shabda, Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, Harayaha. There may be some words. It may be an Akaranta Shabda like Rama Shabda. There you may have forms like this. But Harayaha, once you see that, already your what orientation of the Shabda, Hari Shabda, and Bahuvachanam is Harayaha. That should come to the mind immediately. Okay. This comes only by practice. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
This is possible confusion. That's why. Okay. Then Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, same as Rama Shabda, I said. Only in Ekavachanam of all the Vibhaktis, there is a difference. Otherwise, it is same. Tena, Tasmai, Tasma, Tasya, Tasmin. So this Shabda, the Shabda is simple Shabda. I hope all of you know this Shabda. Do you know, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
If you know this Shabda, the other Sarvanama Shabdas are same. If you know this Shabda, the other Sarvanama Shabdas, what we saw, Tat, then Etad. Etad, you add A before Tad, you get the Etad Shabda. No difference, same. In Dvitiya and Tritiya, you may have two forms. Doesn't matter. Even if you don't know the other form, it doesn't matter. But one form you know, that is enough. Just add A before the Tat Shabda. You get the forms. Only thing is, Saha, instead of Saha, it becomes Yeshaha. Otherwise, it is same. Yeshaha, Yetau, Yete, Yetam, Yeto, Yetan, Yetena, Yetabhyam, Yetaihi. Okay.
Etasmai,
Yes.
etabhyam,
So, Etat Shabda also known to you. Then, Kim Shabda. If you know Tat Shabda, the same way Kim Shabda. Kaha, Kauke. That much you know. Then after that, Kam. So wherever Ta is there, in the Tat Shabda, replace it by Ka. You get the forms. Right? Similarly, Yet Shabda also. So Yet Shabda, Yaga Yav Ye. You know the Pratama Vibhakti. Other forms are same as Tat Shabda. So you know Tat Shabda. For Tat Shabda, you must know Rama Shabda. So that is the connection. So don't forget the connection. So remember one by one the order. Then Shabda will become easy. In fact, it is not difficult to memorize. I don't want to use the word memorize. You can easily recollect by having this link, the connection in your mind. Okay. So now we will get into the lesson. Lesson number 11. I think this will be available in my OneDrive link. You can check. If not, then I will upload it. Now, Priyaji, please you can read. Sarvanama Shabdaha, that what we saw just now. Sahataute, Yeshaha Yetau Yete, Kakakauke. These are used in this lesson. You can read.
Saha balakaha, saha likati, saha balakaha likati.
You see how this sentence is expanded. Saha balakaha is a boy. Saha is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Tat Shabda. Balakaha, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Balaka Shabda. So there is a matching of Vibhakti and Vachanam. So syntactically correct. Saha Balakaha, Saha Ramaha, Saha Arihi, Saha Ganeshaha, Saha Guruhu. Now, what does he do? Likati. What is Likati?
Right.
Writes.
Right.
And the Kriya Padam is Likati. Kriya Padam is Likati. What are the information that Kriya Padam gives? Remember
This is
this one?
Pradama
Active
Purusha,
voice and
Purusha
tense.
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Please remember
Active.
this. You see the screen?
Yeah.
The suffix T stands for, it gives this information. Who is the doer of the action? It means the doer of the action. And it also tells the sentence is an active voice. And the tense is present tense. And the
Third
T,
person.
third person, singular. If it is Bhagavachanam, you will see Taha, Anti. Dvivachanam, Taha you will see. Already we have seen that. So these information, the suffix in the Kriya Padam Ti gives. So it's important. It's a highly loaded suffix. Saha likati. Kaha likati, you can ask. Kaha likati,
Balaka.
saha likati. Kaha saha, you can ask. Who is that? Kaha saha,
Saha balakaha.
Saha
Saha
balakaha.
Saha balakaha.
this is how you have to develop. Saha likati, saha kaha, saha balakaha. Balakaha kim karoti?
Balakaha likati.
लिखति
Saha balakaha likati.
Likati. Understand? Continue, Priyaji. Next one.
Tau balakau, tau likataha, tau balakau likataha.
We can ask questions. Tau balakau. Now, let me ask you. Now you ask question. Who are these two? How do you ask in Sanskritam?
कौतौ
Kau.
Please, Priyaji will answer. Only that person will
sorry.
answer.
Okay.
How do you ask? Who are these two?
Kau tau.
Kautau. Kautau. Answer will be
Tau balakau.
Tau balakau. The answer will be Tau balakau. Tau balakau. Likataha. Those two boys. Likataha. Why likataha? Taha stands for Taha.
Dvivachanam.
Dvivachanam. In addition to other information what we saw. Taha.
Yeah.
Okay. Continue. The next one.
Te balakaha, te likanthi, te balakaha likanthi.
Priyaji, now you ask, who are they?
Okay.
How do you ask in Sanskritam?
Ke te,
Ke
te balakaha.
Te balakaha. Good. Te kim kurvanti? Okay, that you may not know now. Te likanti. They write.
Likanthi.
Te balakaha likanti.
Likanthi.
Yes. All of you can follow this.
Yes,
Yes.
Guruji.
Continuing. Next person, Girijaji, please read.
Yes, Guruji. Eshaha chashakaha. This is a glass. Eshaha chashakaha asti. This glass, asti is here kind of to be.
Is.
Esh,
This is a glass.
This is it.
this is a glass. Okay. Eshaha chashakaha
Asti
asti.
is. The
Is.
is present. Okay, now you
So-
can you ask question, what is this?
Not saha. For
Same,
this.
same thing. What is
Eshaha.
this?
Eshaha kaha.
Eshaha kaha. Eshaha
So what is
chashakaha.
this?
Hmm.
Yesha chashakaha. This is a glass. This is a singular, and this is closer also,
Yes.
and also it is Prathama Purusha.
Yes, good. Prathama
It's a
Purusha.
third person, and
Yes.
it is also present tense we are talking about.
Yes. So this, when there is no action, we can always apply, the action, I mean this likati, patati, when such action is not there, but it is that presence is there. Okay, like in English, this is a glass. The glass doesn't do any action. It is present. So for that, we can use the Kriya Padam asti,
Asti.
ekavachanam. If it is dvivachanam, staha. Bhagavachanam,
Santi.
Santi.
that's what is given here, and we have seen this before also. So next one.
Etau chashakau. These two are glasses. This is the talking about the Dvivachanam.
Yes.
Etau chashakau staha. Staha is just like the asti, but in dvivachanam form. Etau kau, etau chashakau.
Etav chashakau. Continue.
Ete chashakaha. This is the plural, bahuvachanam. Ete chashakaha santi. Santi is the verb form for the plural.
Okay.
Ete ke ete chashakaha. Ete chashakaha santi.
Yes. Next person, Shruti. You can read. Each one of you can read two sentences. Yeah.
सः नरः सः कः सः नरः तौ नरौ
Just
तौ
read it.
कौ तौ नरौ ते नराः
You can
Saha
use some other sentence now. Instead of naraha, replace it by any word you know. Any
Tau-
pullinga. So many words are there we have
तौ
seen.
तौ रामौ
No, instead of naraha, start from ekavachanam onwards.
ओके सः रामः तौ रामौ ते रामाः
Why always Rama? You can take Ganesha.
गणेश
Why Ganesh? Anything you can take. Chashaka is there.
चषक
Vrikshaha is there.
yes
Okay. So asandaha, chair. So anything you can take. Any word, whatever you see, anything which comes to your eyes immediately, just take that word. Saha, Ganapatihi.
गणपति
Tau will become Tau.
तौ गणपतौ
Ganapatau. No.
Ganapati.
That's why I asked. Ganapati. Ganapati is Ikaranta Shabda.
गणपति
Ganapati. That's why I don't use always
Te
Rama.
Ganapataya.
You use different words.
okay
I use Rama for making you understand in the beginning, but after that, keep using different words. Tau Ganapati. So see, when Tau is there, always our orientation is Au. So Tau Ganapatau. No.
Yeah.
Ganapati,
Tau
we have to see
Ganapati.
what Shabda is. Ikaranta Shabda. Ikaranta Shabda, you go to Hari Shabda. Hari Shabda, Pratama Vibhakti,
Hari.
Dvivachanam, Hari. So Ganapati. So this
Ganapati.
confusion also is possible. So we have to watch the Shabda. Okay.
ते गणपतयः
Ganapatayaha.
तयः
Ganapatayaha is Bhagavachanam.
हरयः
Pratama Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. Okay. Second line also you can read. Second line is the Kriya Padam.
सः चलति
Just read that.
सः चलति तौ चलतः ते चलन्ति
Now you can replace Saha by some other.
चलति I mean you want
I
me
can
to
give you a
do
word.
the
Rishi.
saha
Okay.
or
Rishi.
chalati
Chalati Kriya Padam will remain. Only
okay
the subject, the noun, you have to change. Palam. I'm just saying Palam. Or Shatakam, cart. Anything you can say. Any word you know.
Shataka. Shatakah. Guru.
Shatak. Shatakam is Napumsakalinga. Shatakam means cart.
Shataka.
Vaganam, Yanam, Basayanam,
Yanam.
Relayanam. What we saw in the last class.
Every
Any word you can use.
Napumsakalinga.
Your choice. Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, anyone you can use. Or you can say Mama Putraha Chalati. Mama Putrau
मम पुत्रः चलति मम पुत्रौ चलतः मम पुत्रे चलन्ति
Mama Putre. Putra Katam Putre.
पुत्राः sorry ते
I thought we are doing the same exercise again and again, but I think it's worth doing.
Yes.
It's worth doing, I think.
Giving
I
heart
thought it will
attack.
be boring doing the same thing again and again, but I think
no
it is.
no Guruji
Rosiraji, next person you can read.
सः नरः चलति तौ नरौ चलतः ते नराः चलन्ति
Yes. You can replace Naraha, Saha be there.
सः वानरः चलति
Okay.
तौ वानरौ चलतः ते वानराः चलन्ति
Why Vanara? Because Nara and Vanara both are ending with the Repa.
Easy.
Easy. So that you use some other Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda. You can use Rishi.
Rishi, okay.
It takes some time. That's why Rishi. Yeah. Connect with the Shabda. What Shabda Rishi is.
विकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः
Therefore,
ऋषिः चलति
Saha Rishihi.
ऋषिः चलति
चलति
Then
तौ
hmm.
ऋषि
Rishi.
Let Kausalya ji say it. Hmm.
तौ ऋषि चलतः
Then
ते ऋषयः चलन्ति.
yes, that's why Shabda is important. Is it? Rishi, Ikaram Shabda, Hari Shabda, you know, Harihi, Hari, Hariha. The same, but you have to do this mentally, quickly. It comes only by practice. Rishi, when I say Rishihi, Rishi, Rishayaha, Saha, Rishi, Rishihi, Tau, Rishi, that orientation has to come. That's a practice. Second line, please read the second line also.
सः सैनिकः रक्षति तौ सैनिकौ रक्षतः ते सैनिकाः रक्षन्ति.
Replace Sainika by some other word. Replace, you can replace by Ishvara.
Okay. सः ईश्वरः रक्षति तौ ईश्वरौ रक्षतः ते ईश्वराः रक्षन्ति.
Person, Jyotiji. Next two lines.
एषः मयूरः नृत्यति एतौ मयूरौ नृत्यतः एते मयूराः नृत्यन्ति. एषः
You can replace Mayura by some other word, whichever word you like. You can,
एषा
if you
बालिका
know
नृत्य
Strilinga also we have seen.
एषा बालिका नृत्यति एते बालिके नृत्यतः एताः बालिकाः नृत्यन्ति.
Very good. So you can converting that into a Strilinga. Yesha Balika Nrityati. Yesha Yete Etaha. It's good.
एषः शिक्षकः अस्ति एतौ शिक्षकौ स्तः एते शिक्षकाः सन्ति.
Okay. Replace it by some other. Shikshakaha is that. Shikshaka is teacher.
एषः मुनि अस्ति
Munihi.
मुनिः अस्ति एतौ मुनि स्तः एते मुनयः सन्ति.
Okay, next person. Manish. Manisha, the name is Manish Mehta ji. Next two lines. Are you there, Manisha ji? Okay.
It's Manjiri.
Manisha Mehta. Anyway, next person. I think Manjari ji name will come later. I'm
Okay.
just following the order in the chat box. Lata
Yes,
ji,
Guruji.
next one. The
एषः
next.
मूषकः अस्ति एतौ मूषकौ स्तः एते मूषकाः सन्ति. Can I replace it by अश्व शब्द?
Yeah, please do. Yes.
एषः अश्वः अस्ति एतौ अश्वौ स्तः एते अश्वाः सन्ति.
We have seen Strilinga also. Rama Shabda, Nadi Shabda. We are not in chanting, but we have seen the Pratama Vibhakti. Right?
Convert into Nadi Shabda?
Not Nadi Shabda. Mushaka, Mushika, you can make it.
Okay. एषा
Good.
मूषिका अस्ति
Hmm.
एते मूषिके स्तः एता
Etaha.
मूषिकाः सन्ति.
Yes. Trying with the different linga. Strilinga. Nadi Shabda. Please remember Nadi Shabda and Rama Shabda, which we saw.
Yes, Guruji.
Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha.
अद्यः.
Second line, you can read.
कः बालकः कौ बालकौ के बालकाः.
Kaha Balakaha is a question. You have to ask with that intonation. Kaha Balakaha.
कः बालकः कौ बालकौ के बालकाः.
Yes. So it is Prashna. Prashna Vakyam. So therefore that is to be shown. Next person, Srividya ji. You can read.
प्रश्नः सः कः उत्तरं सः वानरः.
Okay. Now here, Prashnaha. Prashnaha, can you guess what could be the Pratipadikam of the word, very word Prashnaha?
Prashna.
Prashna. Akarantaha pullinga. The question itself has got a gender. Okay. The word question prashna has gender. We cannot ask why it is pullinga, why not other linga. The word has gender. We have seen that before. The word has gender. Nothing to do with the meaning of the word. And the answer is, the word for answer is what linga?
Napumsakalingam.
Ekavachanam.
Yes. Uttaram is napumsakalinga. Pratipadika is
Uttara.
Uttara is a pratipadika. Uttaram, uttare, uttarani. Palam, pale, palani. Prashnaha, prashno, prashnaha. It is like Rama Shabda. So the word question is, that the word for question is prashna, which is pullinga. The word for answer is uttara, which is napumsakalinga. The word has gender. Okay. So prashna, that is why prashnaha and uttaram. There is no uttaraha. If you say uttaraha, it is wrong. And if you say prashnam, that also wrong. Okay. We can infer by seeing the word prashnaha, question, prashnaha, ramaha. Therefore, pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Uttaram. Prashnaha is ekavachanam. Uttaram also must be ekavachanam. So uttaram is ekavachanam. Therefore, it must be like the pala shabda. You can connect to pala shabda. Okay. Now please read. Continue.
Prashnaha saha kaha uttaram saha vanaraha. Prashnaha tau kau uttaram tau goladipa.
Goladipa. Gola is bulb. Goladipa, light. So
is it like round bulb or something?
Yes. Gola means round. Bhugola we say globe. Bhugola is that's globe.
Round.
So that round bulb. It's a bulb. Bulb is round only. If it is if it is right, it's a tube light.
Tube light.
Okay, Gola means round.
Is it Neela Deepa for tube light? Then I mean Neela again. I get confused with Tamil and whatever. But
Neela in Sanskrit means blue. blue light. Color of the light is blue. So that is okay. Tube light, for that we have a word. We have got. I'll tell you the word. It doesn't come to my mind immediately. Tube light. There's
Lamba or Lamba Deepa.
Not Lamba. What word is that? I'll tell you. Tube light. Okay. Gola Deepa is bulb. Okay.
Prashnaha te ke uttaram te khagaha.
So how many questions are there?
Three. And three different vachanams.
So therefore, Bahuvachanam of Prashna.
Prashnau.
Prashnaha.
Bahuvachanam or sorry, Guruji.
Bahuvachanam of the word
Prashnaha. Prashnaha.
Okay, let her answer. Prashnaha. So, ete prashnaha. Ete prashnaha.
So, eshaha prashnaha. Etau prashnau. Etaha. Ete
prashnaha.
Prashnaha.
So the answer will be uttaram.
Uttaram eshaha.
No. Let her answer. Shividyaji will answer. Yeah. Napumsakalinga etat shabda. No. Etat, ete, etani. Don't forget that.
Oh, I'm sorry, Guruji. Sorry.
I think we are not chanting the shabda. That's why it goes out from memory.
Yeah, I have to run through like pullinga, strilinga, and then napumsaka.
I think we can chant that once. Okay. Etat, ete, etani. Etat, uttaram. Ete,
uttare. Etani, uttarani.
Etani, uttarani. Okay. I think we will chant that shabda. Strilinga and Napumsakalinga. You can please repeat after me because you are slowly forgetting those shabda. Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Please chant.
Rama, Rame, Ramaha.
अकारन्त शब्द नाम स्त्रीलिङ्ग शब्द नदी नदी नद्यौ नद्यः
नद्यः
नद्यौ नद्यः
You can please repeat after me. Matihi mati matayah
मतिः मतयः
धेनुः धेनु धेनवः
धेनवः
वधूः वध्वौ वध्वः
वधवः
सर्वनाम शब्द एषा एते एताः
एषा एते एताः
इदं शब्द इयम् इमे इमाः
इमे इमाः
शब्द सा ते ताः
ताः
इदं शब्द का के काः remember only the pratama vibhakti of these shabdas. Now, later we are going to add, but this don't forget, remember. Sarvanama shabda 4 and other shabda, proper noun, you have seen. Then, napumsakalinga, you can repeat. Palam, pale, palani.
फलं फले फलानि
Etat shabda, etat, ete, etani.
एतानि
Idam, ime, imani.
मे इमानि
Tat, te, tani.
तानि
Ke, kani.
कानि
Sri Vidyaji. Etat uttaram, ete uttare, etani uttarani. Tat kim? Tat uttaram. Uttaram.
ते
उत्तरे
Okay. Next person after Sri Vidyaji. Rajeshwariji. Namaste Swamnima, you can read. We have to uchitam melayata abhyasaha. Abhyasaha meaning practice. Okay. Abhyasaha, what gender? How do you decline this one? Abhyasaha.
Like Ram.
She will answer. Let the person answer, please. Others can keep their enthusiasm in check for some time. Your turn will come. Okay. Please, let Rajeshwariji answer, please.
Yes. We replace with Ramah.
Yes, abhyasaha. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Abhyasaha, Abhyasau, Abhyasaha. Abhyasa meaning practice. Uchitam melayata. Melayata means joining. Uchitam melayata, appropriate joining. So join these two columns appropriately. So saha, what is the best choice, ma'am? Saha?
Saha.
In the right side column.
Saha gacchati.
Saha gacchati or saha patati. Anything is okay, fine.
Saha gacchati. Mayuraha. Nrutyati.
Yes.
Naraha. Patati.
Yes.
Sainikau. Rakshataha.
Yes.
Gajaha. Khadanti.
Yes.
Te. Hasataha.
Te. Okay.
Sorry. Yeah. No, sorry. Te.
If it is.
Yeah, it's a Bahuvachan.
It is te. Te need not be Bhagavachanam. If it is Pullinga, it is Bhagavachanam. If it is Strilinga,
yeah, Strilinga.
Dvivachanam. But anyway, this lesson deals with Pullinga only. Therefore, you can say Bhagavachanam. But generally, I am saying Saha taute. Te is Bhagavachanam, Pullinga. And Strilinga, it is Sate. Sate taha. Dvivachanam. Napumsakalinga also it Dvivachanam. So, therefore, te depends on the context. So, here the context being Pullinga, therefore we can take it as Bhagavachanam. So, te
hasataha.
Bhagavachanam. Asataha is Dvivachanam. Hasanti is that, then you can match. Hasataha is Dvivachanam. Te is
Pibanti.
Pibanti. Te
Te
Pibanti.
pibanti.
Te Kadanti. Te Santi. Just you can say Santi also. They are. Okay.
Right.
So Te is, in this context, it is Bhagavachanam. Generally, Te can mean Bhagavachanam. If it is Pullinga, it can be Dvivachanam. If it is Strilinga or Napumsakalinga. Next one, Etau.
Etau.
Etau is Dvivachanam. So any Dvivachanam you can match. Many Dvivachanams are there in this column, you can see. So Kadanti or Rakshataha, Pibanti, which one?
Pibanti. Etau Pibanti.
How can it be Etau Pibanti? Etau is Dvivachanam. Pibanti is
Pibanti is
Bhagavachanam.
yes, sorry, Bahuvachan.
Therefore,
Yes, I got it. Sorry.
you cannot
So-
say Etau Pibanti. It should be Etau. You can spot which are Dvivachanam in this column. Kadanti Bhagavachanam. Rakshataha.
Only two.
Rakshataha. Also
Is it
Bahuvachan.
Bhagavachanam? Kriyapadam.
Ekvachan.
No.
Not Ekavachan. These are, see, the columns on the right hand side are the Kriyapadam.
Yes.
Verbal forms. So verbal forms, like you have seen Patati, Patataha, Patanti. Kadati, Kadataha, Kadanti. Rakshati, Rakshataha, Rakshanti. Pibati, Pibataha, Pibanti. So Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. So Kadanti is what vachanam?
Sorry, Swamiji, I have to do a lot of homework. Really, I'm really very sorry. Next week I will do too much homework.
But here, not much of work is involved. Very simple work. You will understand now. I've shown this before. So let me check where it is.
Actually, I skipped the 3 classes. This is also not good. So maybe I missed something.
Okay, now, just a minute. I'll show you the file. You can say it's not a difficult one. It's simple only. Do you see the PowerPoint? All of you, can you see the PowerPoint?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So this PowerPoint is not required now for you. We're going to see that later, but only one certain portion I'm taking. You can see here, my cursor you can see, Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavanti. Do you see that?
Yes.
Can you see all of you?
Yes.
Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavanti.
Bhavanti.
So Pratama Purusha, that is first person, Bhavati, Bhavata, Bhavanti. You can replace Bhava by Kriya Padam, what we know, Pata. Patati, Patataha, Patanti. Patati is Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. He reads. Patataha, Pratama Purusha Dvivachanam. And Patanti, Pratama Purusha Bhagavachanam, third person plural. So Patati, Patataha, Patanti, Kadati, Kadataha, Kadanti. Rakshati, Rakshataha, Rakshanti. Only Pratama Purusha, you know it now.
Yes,
So,
now I got it.
is the Dvivachanam Taha, Bhagavachanam Tanti. So, this is what we are doing there. Ramaha Patati, Ramu Patataha, Ramaha Patanti. You understood now?
Yes. Now I got it, sir.
Yes, same thing we are doing. Now we can match.
Yes.
So, therefore,
So,
Sainikau.
Sainikau Rakshataha.
Okay.
So I'm there in Cha. Etau Hasataha.
Good.
Ete. Santi. No.
Yes, Ete Santi. It's okay. Ete Santi.
Ete Santi.
Ete is Pullinga here.
Yes.
Ete is Pullinga.
Bahuvachanam. Pulling.
Suppose
So
if it is
Santi.
Strilinga Dvivachanam, then what will be the match? If it is Strilinga.
Ete. Sante.
There's no Sante.
Rama Rame. Sante, yes.
No. Don't confuse with the Kriya Padam with the Pratipadikam, the verb, the noun forms. Kriya Padam is verbal forms. There are two things. One is the Pratipadikam, which is declinable, like Rama Shabda, Rama, Hari, Guru. Second one is verbs, verbal forms. That is Patati, Patataha, Patanti. Both are different. Okay. So it is not Santi when I say Ikarataha, Pullinga, Santi Shabda.
Sorry.
Not like that. Okay. Santi is Kriya Padam. How can you decline the Kriya Padam?
Yeah, Kriya Padam will be the same.
Kriya Padam cannot be. Kriya Padam declension, just now I showed Patati, Patataha, Patanti. That is a Kriya Padam. Kriya Padam can have only Purusha and Vachanam. Kriya Padam cannot have Vibhaktis. Vibhakti is only for the noun forms. Ete is a noun form. The column which is on the left side are the nouns. The column which are on the right are the verbs. So the noun forms are declinable.
So,
And the Kriya Padams are declinable, but Pratama Purusha and Vachanam.
Yeah.
That's got Purusha and Vachanam, whereas Pratipadikam has got Vibhakti and Vachanam. That difference, I think, must be clear.
Yes.
Right?
So, ete means Dvivachan, Striling Dvivachan.
Yeah.
So, Santi, Santaha.
That's no Santaha. Santaha is only Mahan only.
Okay. So,
not
what should I
Santaha.
put?
You have to see the column here. Can be Rakshataha.
And I put Rakshataha.
Asataha plus Dvivachanam. You have to see only the Vachanam. Don't bother about the other things. Ete is Dvivachanam when I say. In Kriya Padam, you have to look for the Vachanam only. Rakshataha is Dvivachanam. Asataha Dvivachanam. So, Ete Rakshataha, Ete Asataha. Other things cannot match. You cannot say Ete Gachati. Gachati is Ekavachanam, Ete is Bhagavachanam. So, Vachana mismatch. You cannot say Santi. Santi is Bhagavachanam, Ete is Dvivachanam. Vachana mismatch. Okay. But don't get confused. Santi is a, you start declining Santi. Santi is a Kriya Padam.
Okay.
Already declined. Not declined further.
Sorry. And thank you very much for your patience, Swamiji.
You need to work, do some homework. Okay.
I need to do a lot of homework.
Yes.
Thank you very much for your patience, Swamiji.
Welcome. So, Krishna Kumarji, next one. Patitva Vakyani Rachayata. Having read this, write the Vakya. So, this is, I will upload this. You can take it as a homework and do. He has given different words. You can please form sentences. In the Ekavachanam, you can form Saha, Yeshaha, Kaha, Naraha, Asti, Gachati. You can form sentences. Saha, Naraha. Saha, Naraha, Asti. Saha, Naraha, Gachati. Like this, you have to form sentences. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. Take this as your homework. Please do this. And Krishna, you can do the next one. Strilinga. Please read.
Sa Balika, Sa Kridati, Sa Balika Kridati.
Yes. Sa, now you ask, who is she?
Ka, Sa.
Kasa, yes. Kasa, not Gasa. Kasa, who is she? Sa Balika. Sa Kim, okay. Sa Kim Karoti? Kridati.
Sa Kridati.
Kridati means plays.
Playing.
Playing. She plays. Next one, continue please.
Sorry. Te Balike, Te Kridataha, Te Balike Kridataha.
Question will be?
Kete.
Teke. Yeah, Kete or Teke. Anyway, you can ask. Good.
Yeah.
Next one, continue.
Te Balike, Balike. Te Kim Kurvanti.
Te Kim Kurtaha. Don't worry, we will see that later. Then the question part, I mean, there is the Kriya Padam. Krudhatu we have to study. We will see that. You can continue the next one. Taha.
Taha Balikaha. Taha Kridanti. Taha Balikaha Kridanti. Kaha Ketaha.
Kaha. Taha. Kaha.
Who are they? Taha Balikaha.
That's all. Only that much. Taha Balikaha. Yes. Next person. Anupama, you can read the next one. It is unmuted.
एषा पेटिका अस्ति.
Asti. Okay.
A question from एषा कः.
Esha ka. Srilinga.
Yes.
Petika is Srilinga.
Okay, Guruji. एषा पेटिका उत्तरं. एषा.
It's okay. Next, ete male.
एते माले स्तः. एताः महिलाः. एताः गायन्ति. एताः महिलाः गायन्ति.
Yes. So, ete male. Kete. Ganas. Who are these two?
एते माले.
Not yeke. Kete or teke. Who are these two?
Okay.
Then next one, etaha mahilaha kaha taha. So you have to match the kim shabda bhagavachanam with the etat shabda bhagavachanam strilinga.
Okay, Guruji.
Understand, right? The next one, Ram Kumarji.
Yes, Guruji.
Sa ghati.
Next person, Ram Kumarji will read. Yeah.
Okay.
Sa ghati asti.
Gati, what shabda? Like what shabda?
Ghati is Srilinga, Guruji. Ikaranta.
Yeah, Ram Kumarji will answer. Yeah, Srilinga, Ikaranta, Srilinga. Okay.
Ikaranta, Srilinga, sir.
The question will be?
Sa ka.
Yes.
Sa ghati.
Yes.
Sa ghati asti. Te dronyo.
Yeah.
Te ke. Te dronyo. Te dronyo stah.
What is the Pratipadikam?
Drona.
Droni. Ikaranta.
Ikaranga, sorry, Guru. It is Droni, correct. Droni, Dronyo, Dronyaha.
Nadi Shabdavati. Yes, yes.
Nadi Shabdavati.
Yes, yes.
So, Te Dronyo staha. Those are two buckets.
Okay.
Ta lekhanyaha. Ta kaha. Te, sorry, ta lekhanyaha.
Lekhanyaha. Pratipadikam will be?
Lekhani.
Lekhani. Ikaranta.
Lekhani. Lekhani. Te ta lekhanyaha. Ta lekhanyah. Ta lekhanyah santi.
Ta lekhanyaha santi.
Taha lekhanyah santi. So those are pens. It's Bahuvachanam.
Bhagavachanam. Next person, Nalini ji. This also you can take as homework. You can see Srilinga. You have to form sentences using the words in the Ekavachanam and Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam. Or just we can read this. I mean, they are already formed actually. So Sa, Ka, and Nalini ji can read this. Question is there. Read the question and the answer also given. Yes.
Yesha ka. Yesha lekani.
And Dvivachanam will be? He has the same thing in Dvivachanam.
Yete ke.
Yes.
Ye pustake.
Not Pustaka. The same Lekani.
Oh.
Same.
Yete lekanyau.
Good. Bhagavachanam?
Ete lekanyaha.
Ask question. Yeshaka is there. Bhagavachanam of that will be?
Yesha lekanyaha.
No. Understand my question. Yesha, don't see other two. Only Lekani we are talking about. Okay. Yeshaka, Yesha Lekani. Ete ke, ete Lekanyau. Now Bhagavachanam will be?
Yetaha kaha.
Etaha kaha. Answer will be?
Etaha lekanyaha.
Yes, that's what I'm asking. Good. Then next one, Prashna. Next one, the books.
Yete ke. Yete pustake.
Okay.
Etaha kaha. Etaha gatyaha.
So Gati Shabda, Bhagavachanam, Gatyah. Okay, next person. Kanakaji. So you can match here. Uchitam Melegata. Sa.
Sa hasati.
Okay.
Ete. Okay, Guruji. Ete. Ete.
Just see which is Dvivachanam. Upavishataha. So many words are there. Kadataha is there. Upavishataha.
Upavishataha. Kaha patanti.
Okay.
Balikaha likanti.
Okay.
Esha
So many words are there in
Gachati.
Any word you say, even if it is repeated, doesn't matter.
Oh, that's okay.
Spot the right vachanam.
Okay. K kadataha. Taha. Oh, sorry. K kadataha. Taha. Taha. Likanti. Ka hasati.
Okay, next person. Manjulaji. So this is homework. You can take this as homework. Patitva vakyani rachayata. So in the columns, these words are there. You have to form sentences. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. You can practice this. Now, Napumsakalinga. Manjulaji, you can quickly do this. Manjulaji, are you there? No. Okay, Manjulaji, you can do.
Yes, Guruji. Tat pustakam, tat asti, tat pustakam asti.
The question will be?
Ete.
Why ete? Tat is there.
Na. Eshaha.
Why? See, tat is already is there. You don't have to use any other thing. Same tat. Tat pustakam, that is a book. What is that? How do you ask?
Tat kaha.
Tat kim.
No. Tat kim, yes. Okay. Tat kim, tat pustakam. Tat asti, tat pustakam asti. Te pustake, ke te. Te staha, te pustake staha. Tani pustakani. Tani pustakani. So again the same thing. Tani kani. Tani pustakani. Tani santi. Tani pustakani santi.
I think you all have to do homework. You have to be familiar with the shabda. That is,
Guruji, when we study, it is okay. We can do it one by one. But when you ask, suddenly the mind goes blank.
I'm not asking suddenly. Suddenly.
No, you don't ask suddenly. Our mind goes blank. My mind goes blank. The moment
it is
you
not
ask
only for
question.
you. Even in the Gurukula, when you ask the students, the people, they say the same thing.
So this back and going back and forth is difficult. It is in a straight line, then okay, one by one it comes. But the moment it goes back and forth, it goes blank.
Now we are in the 52nd class, so I will go back and forth. We are not in the 10th class or 12th class. We are in the 52nd class, but still
I know.
Please do homework. Daily spend 10-15 minutes, not more than that. Okay.
Yeah.
I will say upload this file. You can go through this file and do the homework. So we stop here. At least we are progressing a little by little. It's okay. So please put some effort and do homework. We stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः।
हरि ओम।
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद गुरुजी, धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवाद।